Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. They wanted to build their own houses. Nif Nif.
I will build my house of straw. It's easy.
Noof Noof.
I will build my house of sticks. It is fast.
Naf Naf.
I will build my house of bricks. It will be strong.
The 3 little pigs started to build their houses. Nif Nif built a straw house and started singing.
My house is ready. I'm happy.
The wolf comes.
Little big, let me come in.
No, no, no. I will not let you in.
Then I will huff and I will puff and I will blow your house down.
The wolf blew the house down. Nif Nif ran away.
No.
Nif Nif ran to Noof Noof's stick house.
Brother.
Come in, brother, you are safe now.
The wolf comes.
Little pigs, let me come in. No, we will not let you in.
The wolf blew the stick house down. The pigs ran to Naf Naf. Naf Naf built a strong brick house.
Oh, brother.
Help us.
Wolf.
Little pigs, let me come in.
No.
The wolf huffed and puffed, but the house did not fall.
Oh no, I can't blow it down.
The wolf runs away.
Word is important.
We are safe and happy.